Hi, my name is Chantal and I'm a licensed mental health counselor. I see children, adolescents, and young adults for various issues. A lot of people come with issues such as depression and different types of anxiety that they might be experiencing. Some people might even come in with issues adjusting to different life events that they might be going through, changes in their work life or in their personal lives, and even difficulties balancing both. I also see people who have experienced trauma, either in their childhood or in the recent past. I'm actually a licensed trauma professional through the International Association of Trauma Professionals. I do borrow a lot of techniques that are consistent with cognitive behavioral therapy. I also borrow some from dialectical behavior therapy, especially if you are coming to me with problems with relationships and communicating with others and kind of getting your point across in an effective way, whether that's in your personal life or at work. For treating trauma, I use a pretty eclectic approach depending on how severe your trauma symptoms are and how much those symptoms are affecting your everyday life. I use methods borrowed from narrative therapy and the therapeutic framework, which is attachment, self-regulation, and competency framework, which I'm certified in. But first, the most important thing in trauma treatment, and really any treatment at all, is the relationship that I build with my clients. The most important thing for me is to make sure that you feel safe and heard and understood. And I can guarantee you that you'll never ever be judged, and I will always be on your side, kind of cheering you on throughout this experience together. I think that you're so brave for even clicking on this video and considering coming to counseling. I know what it's like to be on the other side, because when I was your age and in college, I was also a client for 3 years in my college counseling center. And I have to say that it was an amazing experience for me, and it changed probably the course of a lot of things in my life. But I do know what it feels like, and I know that it can be scary and it can be intimidating, but in the end, if you are able to build a trusting relationship with your counselor, it can be an extremely healing experience.